Faraz Ahmed, and today I tell you something about the static variable, which is also known as class variable. In this video, I tell you whole implementation of the static variable, what is static variable, what is its use, benefits, advantage, and disadvantage. So let's start. The static variable is also called a class variable because static variables are available through classes and not instances. So first point is that static variable are available through classes, not instances. Okay, because I assume that class A I have created here. Okay, then static static int I is equal to 10. So it is implemented on the class label. This is my class label. Okay, the variable which is static is called static variable. Okay, my second point is this: when program is executed, all static variable are initialized. They are initialized even before the initialization of any other instances variable. Once a static variable is created, its single copy is shared between all classes. Okay, so a single copy is created among all the classes because the static variable is occupied in the memory of the method area or class method area. Okay, so I tell you one example ki how static variable is declared. uh, First of all, when you have to declare create one class like class A. Okay, and you have to write like static int I is equal to 20. Okay, after that create one more class B. Here you have write the public static void main method. After that you have call or print here system dot out dot print ln here. Now how you have to declare the static variable, how you can call this variable into the second class. Okay, you write the class name here, class name is A here. After that my static variable value. Okay, my static variable here. So here I pass here I, sorry, here I pass here I. Okay, so you have to write here class name dot static variable name. Okay, my third point is that static and final are also known as non-access modifier, which means finals are used to define constant while static are those values which remain same for all the classes. So finals are always constant, but static are those values which remain same for all classes. Okay, after that I tell you what are the benefits of static variable. The first benefit is, I write here, benefits of static variable. So the first benefit is save memory. Okay, because constant can be defined because the static variables, the constant can be defined easily by avoiding redundant declaration in every class. Second one is easy access. Easy access. Static variable can easily accessed in every class as they behave as a global variable, which make them easy to use. What are its disadvantages? What are its disadvantages? Okay, the first advantage is no encapsulation. No encapsulation. So it means that they do not follow object oriented because it break encapsulation of data. As static variable are global, so it is the characteristic of procedural programming. Okay, my second point is its lifetime. As said above, static variables are created and initialized when a program is executed and destroyed when program is terminated or completely executed. Memory used by static variable cannot be garbage collected. So the static variable has the lifetime equal to the runtime of the program. Okay. After that, I tell you when and why we use static variable. When and why we use static variable. Okay, suppose we want to store record of all the employee of any company. In this case, employee id is unique for every employee, but company name is common for all. When we create a static variable as a company name, then only once memory is allocated, otherwise it allocate a memory space each time for every employee. Understand? Now I tell you one example. So this is my object s1 and s2 of the student, and this is the value I pass here. id 11, name Adil, id 22, this is to s1 point to this id 11 and s2 point to this id 2 to data. Okay, to the object of student class is s1 and s2, and these are memory allocated in the stack, and this memory allocated in the heap memory. And the static variable we have declared in the class area or method area. So once you have declared the variable as a static, the memory occupied in the class area or method area. Okay, so when you declare a static variable, then it load only one times and run multiple times. So it save a lots of memory here. Okay, so it's a memory management system. So from theory side, guys. Yeah, hello guys, welcome to Java Tricks. Myself Raz Ahmed, and today I have told you the implementation of a static variable, that how static variable can be implemented. Okay, so first of all, I tell you what are the problems occurred when we have not using the static variable. So now, first of all, we have seen that when we are not using the static variable, then what happen? Okay, go to file, new, here project, select Java project. Next, first of all, I create the one project. Okay, so its name is lab. After that, finish it. No, yeah, lab. Now create one class. I created one class. First of all, its name is company. Okay, after that, sorry, I take it like test. Okay, I take it test, and I take it. Okay, and finish it. Yeah. Okay, now I have taken three variables here. The first variable is id, second variable is name, after that third variable is university, Okay, after that, create constructor using field. Right click, go to source, generate constructor using fields, select all the your fields. After that, generate it. Super class does not want. Okay, my constructor is created. Now create one method, its name is display. This is out, you printing the values here like id plus here. After that, name, direct university. Okay, university, and save it. Now I created second one, my main class. My main class I created right here. Main, select public static void name because we have to created the object of the test class. Okay, now I remove this one. Okay, create the object of test1 t1 is equal to new test1. Okay, here I'm passing the fields here first. Passing the fields here. Oh, passing the fields here. First ID, second name, third my university name. It's ABC. Okay, my first object created. Now my second object I've taken here. Change the difference t2. ID is second. Here you write Ahmed, and company name is same. Now I calling my display method of each object t1 and t2. Okay, so t1 dot control shift, we got the value of display here, display method first of all. After that, my second method t2 dot display. Okay, so my display method is called. Now I run this program, see what happens. Okay, my values printed, id, name, and company. Id, name, and company, you see here the company is printed again and again. Okay, so in this case, let's see what happened. When we have created even object here, when we have created t1 object, then t1, then it passes all three argument. Okay, when we have created t1 object, then it passes all three argument here. Okay, and all three argument put in the constructor here. You see now, int id, string name, and string university. uh, After that, all three values goes into the instance variable. This is my instance variable. Okay, instance variable, and the instance variable are of object type. Okay, so in t1 object, all three variables are allocated memory inside. In t1 object, t2 object, a number of object, all the variables are allocated memory inside, same as of t2. Suppose there are 1000 value, then all three value printed again and again 1000 times. But if you notice, the university name is same in all. You see, the university name is same in all. So we can declare university name one time and use multiple time when object created. So we can use a static variable as in the name of the company. Okay, so how we make it static? Go here. Okay, go here and write here, I want to make it this variable as static. Okay, because this is university is printed again and again. It takes the lots of memory. It takes the lots of memory, as you see here. 1000 time we have created object, and 1000 time this is created. So when I created the static here, static I defined, then university is a static variable. You see here the static variable. Okay, after that I remove here the string here, string university, and remove this one. Okay, because I cannot use them. Save it, go to main, remove this one, abc, and remove this one. Okay, remove also the comma. Okay, save it. Now you see what happened. Run as Java application, and you see I got the null value. Why I got the null value? Because uh, because I am not defining here the company name. That's why. So first of all, you have defined here the company name. Okay, you see now. So save it, run it, Java application. Yo, you got the company name here. This is my memory efficient. Okay, this is the memory efficient. Memory management is done here because we save the memory here. We have declared the static variable one time and reuse it multiple times. You see here. Okay, you see. After that, what is here? You see now when we declare a static variable, then it created memory in the class level or method level. Okay, this memory is created in the class level or method area. Then this method area is shared among all the object we have created, so every object use this method area. Okay, this is allocate memory in the method area, and these two in the where is this. Okay, so method area, these two. So I should see that method area is shared among all the object we have created, so every object use this method area. So from this we have to save the memory, only declaring here a variable to a static variable. This is done by static variable. Okay, so guys, I have tell you about the static variable implementation, and without not using the static variable what happened.